One of the hardest decisions in CAT prep is not VARC, not DILR, not even the exam itself. It's deciding whether another year is actually worth it. Because at some point, almost every CAT aspirant reaches this phase. Should I take a drop and prepare once more? Or should I move ahead with what options I already have? And honestly, this decision is way more complicated than people make it sound online. Some people take a drop and completely transform their trajectory. Others lose an entire year repeating the same exact mistakes. So in this video, I want to help you think through this decision logically. No fake motivation, no just believe in yourself nonsense. Just an honest conversation about when taking a drop makes sense and when it probably doesn't. The first mistake students make is assuming everyone is asking this question in the same situation. They are not. Usually, there are three types of people thinking about a CAT drop. Person 1, firstly, let's say you scored somewhere around 70 to 85 percentile. You know your preparation wasn't fully serious or structured. Maybe inconsistent studying, weak basics, low mock count, or poor exam execution. Now, person 2, let's say you scored 90 to 97 percentile. You have decent calls, but you're also wondering, should I settle for these colleges or should I try once more to get blackies? Now person 3, you're already working, you prepared alongside your job, didn't hit your target, and now you're thinking, should I quit my job and prepare full time? These are three completely different situations, and advice for all three should also be completely different. So while watching this video, keep asking yourself, which category am I closest to? Because your answer depends heavily on that. Now, don't make this decision emotionally. Here's something very important. Do not take this decision emotionally. A lot of students decide to take a drop just because they feel disappointed, embarrassed, or desperate to prove something. And that is dangerous. Because the decision stops being strategic and becomes emotional. You're no longer asking, will another attempt realistically improve my outcomes? You're asking, how do I prove I'm capable? That mindset creates unnecessary pressure. So before anything, detach emotionally for a second and evaluate your situation objectively. Because one impulsive decision can easily cost you an entire year. Ask yourself these questions. Firstly, what exactly went wrong? Not, I got a low percentile. Why did you get that percentile? Was it weak concepts, poor consistency, low mock analysis, exam pressure, or time management? Because these are very different problems. If the issue is specific and fixable, then a drop year could genuinely help. But if your preparation was random, unstructured for an entire year already, simply repeating the same process probably won't change the result. Be brutally honest here. That honestly matters a lot more than motivation. Now, question 2. How far are you from your target? Let's be realistic here for a second. Every year, roughly 3 lakh students appear for CAT. And for top blackie calls, as a general category candidate, you usually need extremely high percentiles, often 99 plus depending on your profile. So there's a huge difference between improving from a 95 to a 99 percentile and between improving from a 75 to a 99 percentile. Both are of course possible, but the scale of improvement required is completely different. If you're already consistently scoring high in mocks and simply underperformed on exam day, then a reattempt makes sense. If your fundamentals are weak across all sections, then work experience plus gradual improvement may honestly be the smarter path. Question 3. What does your profile look like? This is the part most students ignore. CAT percentile alone is not enough. Most top B schools also evaluate 10th scores, 12th scores, graduation scores, work experience, academic diversity along with gender diversity. A strong profile can sometimes get better calls at lower percentiles, and sometimes even a very high percentile doesn't guarantee a top convert. So before taking a drop thinking next year I'll score 99 plus, ask yourself, will a higher CAT score alone dramatically improve your chances? Because in many cases, gaining quality work experience may improve your profile more than just another CAT attempt. Now question 4, what will you actually do during the drop year? This is a very important question. A structured gap year is different from simply staying at home preparing. Interviewers will ask you, what did you do during your gap year? And saying, I only prepared for CAT is usually not a strong answer. So if you take a drop, focus on building skills, do certifications, freelance, volunteer, work on projects, and create something meaningful. Your year should show growth, not stagnation. Because mentally also, if CAT becomes the only thing in your life, the pressure becomes extremely unhealthy. Now question 5, what happens if it does not work again? This is the hardest question, but also the most important one. If next year also does not go according to plan, then what? Would you still be okay taking a good non-IIM college, preparing again while working, exploring another path? Because if your mindset becomes IIM or nothing, that pressure can genuinely damage your confidence and mental health. And remember, there are many excellent MBA colleges in India beyond just IIM ABC. Don't let social media convince you otherwise. So, when does taking a drop actually make sense? It actually makes sense usually when you already scored around 90+ percentile, you clearly know what needs fixing, your mock scores consistently show higher potential, your profile is already decent, you have financial stability or family support, and you genuinely have a structured plan for the year. In that situation, one focused attempt can absolutely change your trajectory. But taking a drop becomes risky when your score is very low and fundamentals are very weak. Your plan is vague. You're emotionally burnt out. You're rejecting decent opportunities blindly. Or you believe that more time automatically guarantees a better result. Because it does not. A drop year only works when the quality of preparation changes, not just the amount of free time. Now, if you're around the 70 to 85 percentile range, my honest advice, don't rush into a full drop immediately. Try to get work experience if possible. Prepare alongside your job. You'll improve your profile, financial stability, maturity, and interview quality altogether. If you're around the 90 to 97 percentile, this is the toughest category emotionally because you're so close. If your mock scores consistently suggested higher potential, then one more serious attempt can absolutely be worth it. But don't ignore strong colleges already available just because you have an IIM obsession. A great career can come from many places. If you're a working professional, think very carefully before quitting your job. Work experience helps significantly in MBA admissions and placements. And many students crack 98 to 99 percentile while working full-time. Yes, it is harder, but often it's the smarter long-term decision. And at the end of the day, CAT is important, but it is not your entire identity. One percentile does not define your intelligence. One college does not define your future. The goal is not to impress LinkedIn. The goal is to build a career and life that you're genuinely proud of. So make this decision logically, not emotionally. If you take a drop, commit fully, and if you move forward with the opportunities already in front of you, commit fully there as well. Because half-hearted decisions are usually what hurt people the most. Comment below and tell me honestly which category do you fall in, 1, 2 or 3. And if you're preparing for CAT 2026, also make sure to check out the CAT and OMIDS DIY kit, which is designed to maximize results in minimum time and is India's most personalized CAT preparation program. We've shared a link down in the description, and if this video helped, drop us a like. It genuinely helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.